Hello everyone, and peace of Christ to all of you. I received a challenge from a Muslim, and he said he is willing to leave Islam if I can destroy Islam in 60 seconds. I said to him, why in 60 seconds? I mean, what the point? Does it make a difference really if Islam destroyed in 60 seconds or 60 minutes? He said, no, if it's really, Islam is so obvious, it's so stupid, well, the one who can do it in 60 minutes, he can do it in 60 seconds. So I said, okay, let us see if we can do it in 60 seconds. Until now, I did not start my topic, which is going to be 60-second topic, in order to prove my point that even though you say 60 seconds, still we can prove Islam to be stupid and false. I will put a clock in the screen, and when we start, this clock will start. I think the clock is clear for everybody, right? Is it clear? So this is 1 minute clock, and we will see if we can really destroy Islam in 60 seconds. Now I want the Muslim who made the challenge for me to be decent and honest and leave Islam as he promised. He promised me he will call me live if I can do it in 60 seconds. If you don't call me live, it's mean he is just playing games and he is not honest. But how you can do really such a thing? You know, I mean, this is. I mean, we have religion. We have thousands of hadith, 114 chapter in the Quran. Some of them they are shorter than my finger, but they call them chapter anyway. I mean, what you can do about it? So how we can prove Islam to be false in 60 seconds? You remember there's Abdul once, he wanted to debate me supposedly, but the coward, he did not dare. He says, Paul is in the Quran, show me you have 30 seconds. And I get him busted in less than 10 seconds. And the stupid, he was so nervous, he started reading from different book. Because they were preparing themselves to answer me from a book which I'm not talking about. A book I mentioned before. Because they are intimidated. 30 seconds. Start. Okay, 30 seconds. Oh, we got them busted. So let us see now if we can do that in 60 seconds. Shall we start, guys? Or wait for more people to come? Remember, Islam is an amazing religion. I mean, I did not start, by the way. This is not start. I'm not debating now. I'm not proving. Like, we will start the clock. You know what? If I start talking about Islam right now, he will start saying, okay, you see, this is not 60 seconds. So I will not talk. Let us start. And we will make it very simple and count my words. I am going to activate the clock on the screen. And the second this clock is activated and you start seeing running, the clock will counting down the 60 seconds. And my duty is to finish in 60 seconds. But you know what I was saying myself? What if I finish it in 30 seconds? That would be interesting. 30 seconds is enough to destroy Islam. I think 30 seconds. I think 10 seconds. What do you think? Let us not waste time. He asked for 60, so we will make it 60. However, I can make it even shorter. Let us see, where is the clock to activate? Give me a second. All right. We found the clock. Start. One. Where is the clock? Is gone. Hold on. The software I'm using is a little bit complicated. Start. Here we go. 58 seconds, 57 seconds. I'm going to do what the turtle did when she was fighting with the rabbit. The rabbit, he took a nap, right? And the turtle was slow. My friend, the angels is the one who established the Kaaba. It says here that the most famous builders are the angels for the Kaaba. The Kaaba has been built at just several occasions, but the most famous builders are the angels who originally constructed first man, which is Prophet Adam. So who is the one who built the Kaaba? Adam. Okay, as long Adam is the one, sorry, the angels is the one who built the Kaaba, and they are instructed by who? By Allah. Who chose a location? Allah. So Allah, He chose a location of the Kaaba, He put it in a certain place, and then we find this. Guess what? Bingo. Before the 60 seconds is over, your Kaaba is flooded by water, by sewage. So if this is a place Allah is the one who instructed to be built, how come Allah could not choose the best place for the Kaaba to be built? Filthy, dirty water covering the Kaaba from all sides. Oh, my clock did not start. Oh boy, look like my clock did not start. Did it start? I think it doesn't start. Oh. Okay, I have to do it again. But anyway, we finished before the 60 seconds. We finish it before the 60 seconds. Let us just start. I don't know why it stopped. I will go again. All right. Start from 0. All right. Let me click at the Islamic website. Here we go. Count with me. Is it starting or not? I don't know why it doesn't start. Here we go. Now start. Why stop? Maybe my minute finished. Okay. Kaaba was built by the angels, and Allah is the one who instructed the angels. So if Allah is the one who built the Kaaba and He is the one who instructed angels, so then how the Kaaba is built in wrong location where the flood always cover it? How Allah, He chose the wrong location? How this can be a choice by Allah? You see, I'm done. 30 seconds. 29 seconds. I'm done. Islam is destroyed. The rest is just what I would say. Show you pictures. This is the house is built by Allah, chosen location by Allah. The Muslims, they say, is center of the earth, and yet Allah did not choose the best place for the Kaaba. It's flooded by poo-poo and pee-pee. We do not need even 60 seconds. Islam is finished. Done. So when you say to me, can you destroy Islam in 60 seconds? Absolutely. This is very easy. What I will say after this, I challenge actually any Muslim to give an answer. Here we go. Look at 30 seconds. This is the God who chose the location of the Kaaba. He chose the worst location. I do not need 60 seconds. Correct, guys? We finish it in 29 seconds. And look at the comment down when we finish this video. You will see the Muslims have no answer. Allah is the one who chose the location. The angels are the first one who built the Kaaba. Adam, he did Hajj 40 times to the Kaaba. And then Abraham rebuilt the Kaaba, supposedly, and Ishmael. Yet the Kaaba is built in the wrong location. So my friend, are you going to call me? Make it 15 seconds? Okay, I will speak faster. Hold on. I will make it 15 seconds. Let us start all over. We can do it 15 seconds. You don't even need 15 seconds, my friend. This is the most stupid cult ever. The Muslim, they speak about the golden ratio, etc. The Kaaba is the center of that. This is because of your fabrication, you idiot. Those numbers are virtual numbers. They are not real. The earth is a flat. In order for the Kaaba to be the center of the world, it have to be a flat earth, or to be maybe a circle, flat still, and it's in the middle. Stupid people, you know. The Kaaba is the okay, Allahu Akbar. That okay, here we go. So if we start, if we want to do it faster, I will start again. Let us see how that works. You guys, you like it, don't you? Mean, bad people, bad people. Shame on you, huh? You see how stupid it's called? I will start again. Let us see how many minutes will take us to get this religion busted. The Kaaba, most famous builders of it. Let me start. Hold on. I will start the clock. 1, 2, 3. The most famous builders of the Kaaba is the angels, and they are instructed by Allah. And then Abraham and Ishmael and Adam, they are the one who build and rebuild. And then we find this. How many minutes? How many seconds? I'm done. 20 seconds. Allah, he chose the wrong location for his house. Flooded by poo-poo. And thanks to the American engineering, now it is limited. It's not like before, but still it's flooded. This is the house of Allah. Can't Allah, he raise the house by his finger a little bit? If he raise it just 3 meters up, the Kaaba will not be flooded. Just 3 meters. Can't he move the Kaaba floor up? I'm done from a long time ago. Now the meter until now is still working. This is how silly and stupid this cult is. So because we decide to make the video short so you guys can download it, share it, upload it, add subtitle to make it easier for you. I'm not going to stay long. Tomorrow we will be live on air in the other account, which is the Christian Prince account, which is a small account I have as a backup. Allah and his prophet knows best. It's a comedy, it's going to be kind of comedy. I'm telling you, Allah and his prophet knows best. This will be tomorrow, okay? Actually, it is in the info. The link for this video is in the info, and let us post it for you if you like to join us. And we will see you tomorrow, guys. May the Lord bless us all. Took us less than 20 seconds to destroy Islam, prove Islam to be false, fraud, made by a liar. His name is Muhammad, and his God is not exist. He fabricated God to use him as a toy. The God who served the purpose, not the God who is true God. And the purpose is the pocket, the private part, the money, the power of Muhammad. All of Islam is just to serve his pocket, from his pocket and down. From his pocket and down. Whatever down is. And you know what I'm talking about. So join us later. We will be tomorrow live on air. And don't forget to download the video and share it with your friends. And I posted a video in Facebook about Jim Dory show. If you did not download it yet, go and get it from my Facebook page. We got them busted yesterday, but we did not post it on YouTube. Thank you, guys. May the Lord bless you. And thank you very much for being here. Christ is Lord. Islam is false. And we prove that always. And who can prove us wrong? Show up. And the coward who said he is going to call me leave Islam, he did not. If I can show him in 30 seconds, or sorry, 60 seconds. See? They don't have courage. They don't even keep their words. Nothing new. Nothing new. Thank you very much. God bless you all, and see you soon again.